I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our colleagues and friends from around the world to Smartling's 2024 Global Ready Conference. We have hundreds of people from dozens of countries in attendance, which is a true testament to the global community we're all working so hard to build. Last year at this time, I shared my enthusiasm and optimism for Smartling's future. Today, I'm even more optimistic. The reasons are many, but start with the progress that we've made, our plan for continued innovation, and the remarkable opportunities in front of us. In 2023, Smartling was one of the fastest growing companies in the translation business. In fact, due to our AI innovation, our translation business grew by a whopping 45%, which is remarkable considering that the industry as a whole declined. That growth is driven by our continued focus on delivering the best translation quality, cost, speed, and experience in the world. We've got an amazing conference lined up for you, the theme of which is future-proofing your localization strategy. In one of our featured sessions, Driving Accessibility by Removing the Linguistic Divide, representatives from the Fresno Unified School District and the Tompkins County of upstate New York will share how translation is a catalyst for fostering diversity and inclusion, and how necessary it is for the health, well-being, education, and prosperity of our communities. In this session, Research Revealed, our very own Alex and May will share findings from this year's research projects, the impact that AI has had on translation with performance figures, and where we see things headed in the future. This panel, led by our very own Gavin Grimes, will be a lively discussion with guest speakers from Vimeo and Bluebeam. AI-powered human translation, how companies are bridging the gap between the old and new translation processes. This panel will reflect on how the past 12 months have influenced their localization strategies and how they're thinking about the year ahead. We'll look at what influences their mix of human and machine translation and how leadership and budget constrains decisions. This panel is stacked with localization veterans. You won't want to miss it. Andrew Sachs, our VP of Product, will be giving a product roadmap presentation you won't want to miss. With our world-class engineering team turning out over 3,000 releases per year, we have a number of exciting new features and products coming your way. Andrew will speak more about reducing cost of AI human translation, big updates to the global delivery network, connector improvements and new ones coming soon, and making our AI human translation toolkit available to use with your third-party LSPs. Let's start with our mission. Accelerating customers' growth with innovative translation solutions that deliver the best quality, cost, speed, and experience in the world. To that end, we're over-investing in R&D to make sure that we're able to provide you with the most comprehensive language AI solution in the industry. We have multiple patents on our work with generative AI, and our engineering team has delivered over 70 major features or enhancements across an astounding 3,300 production releases just in the past year. And it's our stated goal to provide you with world-class service to support your localization program. Before we talk about the future, it's helpful to review the past. Some of the major updates that we delivered in 23 included MQM Dashboard, Smartling Translate, AI Human Translation, hundreds of updates to improve usability, a major GDN update, and 10 new integrations and a partner program. In 2023, Smartling proved itself to be a world-class software company, delivering tremendous value to our customers. Let's run through some of those performance numbers. Smartling delivered an astonishing 7 billion words for our customers last year across over 450 languages. From an engineering perspective, there are few engineering operations in the world that can deliver this type of value and performance, and I'd be willing to bet you a steak dinner that we're the only one in the translation industry that can deliver this pace of innovation. Think about it. If your vendor is only releasing twice a year, how quickly can you get the innovations and updates that you need? Whether you're a multi-billion-dollar global enterprise or just getting started, we know your business relies on us. So uptime and security are priorities for us. To that end, Smartling delivered world-class reliability with nearly 5 nines uptime. Great products and great uptime are only part of what you need. Customer service is the third leg of that stool, and we pride ourselves on providing world-class customer service. To that end, we delivered over 95% CSAT to our customers globally. On-time delivery is also one of our customers' top priorities, and we do a world-class job here by delivering a 98% on-time delivery rate. And finally, the most important aspect of translation is quality. We've invested significantly in standardizing on the MQM quality standard just last year. And as you can see here, we're delivering outstanding results. What's remarkable here is that we're delivering human quality translation with our AIHT workflow at a fraction of the price and time of legacy human translation, and in the process, transforming the translation business. So where are we headed in 2024? Last year at this conference, we asked, can AI help reduce errors and improve fluency? Well, now we have our answer. The answer is a resounding yes. AI is working and at scale. The dark purple here in this chart is the percent of total translations that we did with AIHT. And you can see that AIHT now accounts for over 50% of our translation business and growing that overall business by 50% per year by delivering human quality for a fraction of the price and turnaround time by using AI. The theme of this conference is future-proofing your localization strategy, and I'd like to spend a little time talking about that. Elon Musk was recently quoted in the Wall Street Journal saying, "My guess is that we will have AI that is smarter than any one human probably around the end of next year." Jamie Dimon, chief executive of JP Morgan Chase, told investors in April that AI could be as transformative as some of the major technological inventions over the past several hundred years. Think the printing press, the steam engine, electricity, computing, and the internet, among others. Vinod Khosla, founder of venture capital firm Khosla Ventures, declared last year that within 10 years, AI will take on 80% of the jobs that exist today. Every once in a while, a new technology emerges, and it's important that you have a partner that can help you take advantage of it. Today, that new technology is generative AI, and here's what we're doing to help you future-proof your localization strategy. Smartling has been in the business of future-proofing for over a decade now. Like we invested in creating the world's first cloud-based translation management system, developing cutting-edge machine learning as an early implementation of AI, and clustering machine translation engines. These are all examples of our commitment to fulfilling our mission of building innovative translation solutions that deliver the best quality, cost, speed, and experience in the world. Our R&D team is front and center today to deliver on this mission for you. As new foundational models emerge daily, each with a promise of new features, such as number of parameters, inference time, fine-tuning availability, increased size of the context window, privacy and security, we review and analyze these new models, and based on our assessment, determine if and when we'll begin testing this model for our customers' translation needs. Our selection criteria are centered around one main point. Will implementing this model help us deliver the best quality, cost, speed, and experience in the world? Like our creation of all the major machine translation engines, we're curating the foundational models so you don't have to. GPT, Google, Palm, Bison, Unicorn, IBM, watsonx, Granite, Minstrel, Llama, and Claude 3 are all models and variants that we either have in production or are testing. We are building an AI ecosystem that combines best-in-class Gen AI and AGI, as well as our own proprietary AI development, taking the burden and cost of model analysis, selection, and implementation off your plate. Our approach is that of a measured approach. We use a combination of automated and human evaluation metrics to pick the most fit-for-purpose model for every step of our client's localization journey. We are and will remain LLM agnostic, just as we are MT engine agnostic. Today, in this ecosystem, we use foundational models for edit effort estimation and glossary insertion, thus ensuring grammatically accurate use of your brand terminology. We use it for MT quality estimation and translation memory fuzzy match repair, which allows you to significantly increase the reuse of previously translated content. At the same time, we're evaluating new models for all our NLP tasks and translation formality, as well as developing new applications for use. What does this mean for our customers? Just as we have in the past, we are your partner to continue to future-proof your localization strategy and guarantee that we will identify and implement the optimal tooling to deliver the highest quality translation. We don't chase the next shiny object, but use model performance data, ROI calculations, and suitability analysis for your content and language combinations. It will always be the best thing and not just for technology's sake. Generative AI stands as possibly the most significant technological leap since the advent of the cloud and arguably the internet. This revolution, inherently cloud-based from inception, as is Smartling, promises to significantly reduce the friction in translation processes and herald a new era of efficiency and accessibility. We have never felt more optimistic about the potential to enhance and simplify the lives of our customers and are wholeheartedly committed to pioneering the future, embracing the myriad possibilities that lie ahead, and eagerly anticipate collaborating with you to bring this vision to fruition. Some housekeeping notes here. All sessions today are being recorded. The chat is open throughout the day, so please share thoughts and participate. Ask questions, drop them into the Q&A tab, and make sure you connect with your peers. As I've said, we've got some fantastic sessions here for you today, so we hope you'll stick around for everything that we've got planned. And now, without further ado, I'm excited and honored to introduce this year's keynote speaker, Minette Norman. Minette is an award-winning author, speaker, and leadership consultant who previously spent decades leading global technical teams in Silicon Valley. Minette was previously Vice President of Engineering Practice at Autodesk, where she was responsible for transforming both engineering and localization. As the author of the award-winning titles, The Boldly Inclusive Leader, and the co-author of the Psychological Safety Playbook, Minette is committed to helping leaders unleash the full potential of their people in organizations. Named one of the most influential women in Bay Area business by the San Francisco Business Times and as a business role model of the year by the Women in Silicon Valley Awards, Minette is a recognized leader with a unique perspective, and we are thrilled that she's here to join us. Today, Minette is going to speak with us about how to future-proof your career in the age of AI, and will share insights for taking ownership of our careers, building resilience, and increasing joy. Minette, over to you.